Introducing the expanded family of PosiTector DPM dew point meter models with enhanced remote monitoring capabilities from DeFelsco, the measure of quality. During the application of protective coatings, it is critical to ensure that environmental conditions stay within project specifications. Most coatings will not dry properly at low temperatures and high relative humidity. Most critical is to ensure the surface temperature stays above the dew point, the temperature at which condensation forms on the surface. This surface moisture is often invisible, but can cause corrosion and premature failure when trapped beneath the coating. Dew point is calculated based on air temperature and relative humidity. But the dew point isn't the only limiting factor. A surface temperature that is too hot or cold can negatively affect how coatings cure and bond. Excessive wind speed can cause solvents to evaporate too quickly, causing coatings to not cure properly. Job site safety can be jeopardized in high wind conditions. Overspray wastes product and may damage nearby property. While important during the application of coatings, these measurements are also important in manufacturing and production environments. The PosiTector DPM family of probes measures environmental parameters quickly and easily using high-quality, precisely calibrated sensors. Each DPM probe includes a certificate of calibration traceable to NIST. When compared to old methods like sling psychrometers, the PosiTector DPM is more accurate, easier to use, and includes advanced recording and reporting functionality. There's no need to interpret complex lookup charts or use weather charts with barometric tables. PosiTector DPM probes connect to the award-winning PosiTector platform, allowing a single gauge body to accept environmental, coating thickness, surface profile, dew point, shore hardness, wall thickness, and soluble salt probes. They are an ideal addition to a PosiTector inspection kit. There are 4 PosiTector DPM models, suitable for measuring environmental conditions in a variety of applications. The PosiTector DPM integral probe contains ambient temperature and humidity sensors, in addition to an integrated surface temperature sensor. At a glance, view the relative humidity, ambient and surface temperatures, and the dew point temperature, ideal for measuring environmental parameters around the job site. The PosiTector DPM integral probe with cabled surface temperature sensor features a K-type thermocouple connector. The included magnetic surface temperature probe is ideal for logging surface temperatures continuously. The optional liquid temperature sensor can measure the temperature of paints prior to application by dispersion equipment. The PosiTector DPM integral probe with wind speed sensor includes the same sensors as the DPM integral probe in addition to a wind speed sensor. Using a precision hot wire anemometer technology, airspeed is measured accurately in a variety of units with no moving parts. The PosiTector DPM cabled probe with half-inch NPT threads is designed for insertion into tanks or pipelines and can measure ambient temperature, humidity, and dew point at pressures up to 200 psi or 1.3 megapascals. All PosiTector DPM models feature the innovative auto log feature, turning your dew point meter into an environmental monitoring station. Standard models store environmental parameters at user-selected time intervals for up to 50 hours. Alternatively, use the optional AC power adapter for continuous power. Advanced models power off between readings for up to 8 months of battery life and can group measurements into batches on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Using the built-in Wi-Fi connection, each reading is synchronized to the cloud for remote monitoring. Use posisoft.net to view and archive readings from one or multiple PosiTector DPM gauges from a web browser. Quickly create custom professional reports. All PosiTector DPM models also feature alarm capability. When the alarm is enabled on standard models, visible and audible warnings sound when the surface temperature is within 3 degrees Celsius or 5 degrees Fahrenheit of the dew point as per international standards. On advanced models, custom alarm limits can be set for each parameter. When a limit is exceeded, receive email alerts when connected to Wi-Fi, in addition to the audible and visible alerts on the gauge. The PosiTector DPM family is more versatile and powerful than ever, and is an ideal addition to a PosiTector inspection kit. Learn more about the expanded PosiTector DPM range at defelsco.com/DPM.